Hi, I'm Sumeet Katariya. I built ElevatorPlus. Running an elevator business shouldn't feel like firefighting. But when sales lives in WhatsApp, when AMC renewal lives in Excel, when installation lives in someone's head, it does. ElevatorPlus, the operating system built only for elevator companies. Capture every lead, track every AMC, route every breakdown, run every installation, see every spares. Sales, service, AMC, inventory, installation, one platform, one source of truth. Used by hundreds of elevator companies globally, on mobile, on desktop, on web, with unlimited users and multi-language support. AMC revenue locked in. Installation timelines that actually holds. Operations that scale with you, not against you. On this channel, we share industry frameworks, product walkthroughs, real customer transformations, and myth busting on elevator softwares. New growth strategies and framework videos every week. Subscribe now and see your business differently.